yes, it is a safe, and you might be thinking, he must have a lot of money. No, I don't. I've actually bought this for something totally different. This is for some documentation I have. I don't actually have a lot of money here. I don't have a lot of money, full stop. But the reason I bought this is because it is waterproof and fire resistant up to 1 hour. And I thought it'd be perfect for keeping some of my documents in, and also some of my hard drives that I'm going to be backing up. You know, some of the old stuff that I've done years ago, I want to keep it all and put it all on a hard drive and put it in a safe. Yeah, it's not for money. I very rarely have a lot of money on me, about 20, 30 quid, something like that. It's about the most amount of money I have. So I bought this on Amazon. It costs, I think it was about £118 at the time. And was very difficult to choose which one to get. So I've gone for this one. It had good views, it had bad views, but then so did all the others. But I like the look of it. I know you shouldn't go by the look, but I did like the look of it. I also liked the way it worked, the mechanism. Oh, by the way, it says on the box, do not open with a knife. How are you going to get open? I didn't come up with a plan for that one, did they? But I'm being careful, because obviously I don't want to scratch it. But I thought, how am I going to open it? I said to my wife, how the hell am I going to open it without a knife? If it says do not open it with a knife. It's well covered anyway, so I don't know why they're going on about do not open it. I do believe that is a shelf. Yeah, it has a shelf. Apparently. Let me put it on the floor and I'll get that. It weighs, I can't remember how much it weighs. I'll stick it up there for you so you can find out exactly how much it weighs. Yeah, I can't remember how much it weighs. I'm going to turn it upside down and get it out. And then stick it back on the table. Whew. What do you reckon? Even comes with a little money bag. Right, I am going to have a read of the instructions because I want to make sure I do everything correctly. So I'm taking it, that's the keys and that and the combination stuff. And then I'm going to show you around it. It's actually going to be bolted somewhere as well. So hopefully, yeah, there is 2 holes. Hopefully, hopefully that no one can just pick it up and run off with it. That is the plan. So give me a second, I'll sort it out. I've got a safe. Right, so what's in the box? So obviously you get a safe, get instructions. You get 2 bolts for bolting it to a wall. You can't bolt it to the floor, but you can bolt it to a wall. I need to see the ceiling there. There's no instructions on how to do that, but it should be quite simple to do. You also get 2 sets of keys. Now it does say in the instructions, whatever you do not leave them in the safe. Hope that's obvious, but they do actually tell you that. Whatever you do not leave it in the safe. This is your backup key or keys. And the idea behind it is, behind the word safe, should the electronics pack up, say for instance the battery's gone flat, and you've got no way of powering it up, because you can actually power it up through a external power source, because it has a USB. There's a USB connection on the side, so you could actually power it up like that. But should the electronics pack up for whatever reason, you get this key, put it in there, and you get this key, put it in there, turn them towards each other, and jump open. Okay, simple enough. So while I've got the door open, let's go through some of the features. Get a shelf. You don't have to have the shelf on, but I've fitted it on. It just sits on. Easy enough. You get a little key holder for your keys, or maybe even some jewellery or necklace, something like that. It's nicely padded. Feels quite nice actually. And you get 4 quite big locks. So that is that. Also, better tell you now, it takes 4 AA batteries which go in the top under here. Easy enough to do. So then, you've got your safe. It's all locked up. Now how do you open it normally? So you have to put a key in, yeah, put your combination in, and it comes with two different combinations. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, enter, green light comes on, opens. Simple enough. Or, like I said, comes with two combinations. So say for instance you've got a different combination to your partner, for instance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, opens. Now then, if you want to change your combination, there are two different ways to do it. The first one is for the 6 numbers, 1 to 6, yeah, is, if you want to change that one, is press the green button. There's a green button in here. You have to have the door open to do this. You press that once, and it's ready for you to punch in the number. So, say for instance, I want to do 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we're going backwards. Press enter. Then you enter it again. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Enter. Green light's on. Shut the door. Lock it. And wait for it to go out. So it's memorising it. Now then, to unlock it, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Job done. Okay? Easy enough. Now then, I'm going to show you how to do the other way. So the door's open, yeah? And you want to change another one for someone else. So at the moment, the other one is 1 to 4, yeah? I'm going to do 4 to 1, backwards. You have to press 0, 0 twice. Then the green button on the side. Done that. 4, 3, 2, 1, enter. 4, 3, 2, 1, enter. Green light comes on. Lock it. And hopefully you've got two combinations. And we will see in a second. Right, that's done. So it's locked, yeah? So 4, 3, 2, 1, unlocked. Yeah? Shut back up. Take key out. Doesn't matter whether you take key out or not, it's locked. And then we do the other one. So it's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I would highly recommend you don't use this combination. I'm just giving you an example. I'm going to change it to my own combination. But I'm not going to tell you what it is. So that is how easy that is to do. Now then, it does come with some feet in case you want to put it on the floor or somewhere and you want a bit of cushion. I've already stuck them on. It doesn't come with these stuck on, but I'll put them on. It's only double-sided. And also 2 holes on the back if you want to bolt it to the wall. Yeah? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy so far. Yeah? Now then, it does have a vibration alarm, which is this one here. And to activate it, you press that button now. So now that is on. Now the anti-vibration does take a bit of a anti-vibration. As you can see, come up with a green light. So it could be like a train just gone past. So it's not going to go off. Also, if you constantly put in the wrong number, it's going to make the alarm go off. I will show that at the very end of the video. Well, maybe. I've not actually managed to get it to go off. So yeah, it does everything I want it to do. Oh, it's better put the key in first. It does everything I want it to do. It is a safe. It has some good options. Let me unlock it. For storing your goods. In my case, it's going to be mostly paperwork and some hard drives with memories of my YouTube channels and stuff like that. You know, some of the videos that I've already made. So it does everything I want it to do. I wouldn't recommend you put money in it unless, you know, you want to, but I would highly recommend you leave money in a bank. It should be pretty safe. But yeah, it's good for saving documents that are very important to you or anything like that, or even hard drives, which is what I'm going to be doing, and documents of course. So perfect for that. And also I will be bolting it to a wall, I think. I haven't made my mind up exactly where it's going yet, and I'm not even going to tell you where it's going, so I'm sorry about that, but I've got to keep that bit a secret. So with that, let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know in the comments whether you've got one or think about buying one. Link in the video description. They are affiliated links. They do give me a little bit of a kickback if you decide you want to buy one. Doesn't cost you any more extra for clicking on that link. But let me know if you're thinking about buying one. If you're buying this one, I'd like to know. Or even if you've already bought one, I'd like to know. Or a different model. Be interesting to find out what you think. So again, with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. And watch the end. I'm going to try and make the alarm go off. I am going to try.